Hey, keep my welcome and welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will see me try to reinstall a wig. My wig, I'm going to show you how I look right now. I still got the headband on, the wig band on. I'm not taking out my rollers until I go anywhere, but yeah, that's what y'all want to see in this video. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and comment down any other videos you'd like to see from me. Keep in mind, this is my first time reinstalling a wig or putting a wig on myself, period. Actually gluing it down and everything. Usually I just slap the wig on and go because it's glueless, but I decided to try and re-glue it, reinstall it myself. So yeah, tell me what you think. I look a mess, but watch me try to install my wig for the first time. Well, glue on my wig for the first time. I'm going to put music over this because I'm still learning. So I'm watching TikTok tutorials.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh, cause I did win by default.
I don't know what fell, but hopefully they could come, like I said, come across my video and tell me what the hell I did wrong. Oh no, y'all. Period. And I just curled out all the curls. I mean, curled out. I just brushed out all the curls. These flexi balls was in my hair for like 2 days straight. I'm not even gonna lie to you. don't know. It don't seem that hard when you looking at the tutorials. Maybe because this one was already installed. Maybe I should start with a fresh wig and then see how it is. And all I'm gonna do is put, my hands are sticky. And all I'm gonna do is put these right back in the rollers. So, yeah. I'm about to just, I actually need little flexi rods, because had I had little flexi rods like these instead of just these two, it would have been a little better. I mean, it's still cute, but I'm so glad for TikTok and YouTube, because you can learn a lot. I cannot. That was literally my first time de-installing the wig. I wouldn't say de-installing. Yeah, you can say that. But I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'm about to I might put my flexi rods back in my hair, or I might just end up recording just like this with the band on, because yeah, why not? So, bye. Please don't mind how my camera look. I'm about to clean it again. But I got the smaller flexi rods, because y'all saw how I used to struggle with them big flexi rods. Yes. Now the one called hold on, my camera dirty.
Your life is in
These are so much better than the other two that I had.
You know what? I think I'm gonna go.
I'm
curious about it, and a lot of my clients lean heavy on that stuff. You know.
Hey guys, so this is me popping in to show y'all how the installer. I don't think I did bad for my first install. Tell me what y'all think below. If you reached the end of the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment down any other video that you want to see.
I think we should do that first, or do